Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set permissions for your say command using the discord.js bot. So this will be an extension off of the say command that we built in video number 17. So if you haven't seen that, and if you haven't written down the code from that, please make sure to write that down. And also we're going to be using our Discord server. You can find that in the description down below as well. Alright, so let's get started. So it's actually fairly simple to do this. All we need to do is check if the user has the role that we're looking for, and if they don't, then we don't allow them to use the command. So let's say if not message, so we're getting the message that was sent, dot member dot roles, so getting all the roles of that member, dot cache dot sum. So now we're getting all the roles that the member has, and then we're saying roles role.name is equal to, and then the role that we have. So let me copy down the roles that I want. So let's head into your server settings, go to the roles, and choose whichever roles that you want to be able to use the command. So I want the head admin to be able to use this command. So copy that down. And I also want the owner to be able to use that command. So or roles.name is equal to owner. And then we'll say return. So as a synopsis, what this is saying is if the message.member.roles.cache, so if the roles of this message or of the member that sent the message does not contain head admin or owner, then return, meaning don't do anything that's below this line. So just return the code and stop the code right there. So let's save this. Let's deploy the command. So node deploy commands. And let's run the actual bot. And let's see how it works. Okay, so this account that I have right here does not have either the owner or the head admin role. So let's see if it works with this account. So say hello. As you can see, the bot does absolutely nothing. Now let's head to the account that does have owner on it. So this has both owner and head admin. So now let's say hello world. And as you can see, the bot now says hello world. Alright, so that was a very basic, simple synopsis of how you can add different permissions to your say command. You can do this with virtually any command that you have. All you need to do is follow the same exact process, except customize to whichever roles that you have in your server. Alright, if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. This has been Steam Code, and I'll see you next time.